Unity landscape refers to the design principle of creating a cohesive and harmonious landscape. Unity landscape Unity landscape by using consistent elements throughout the express. This includes the use of similar colors, textures, materials, and forms to tie together different areas of the landscape. The goal of unity in landscape design is to create a sense of balance and wholeness where all the different parts of the landscape work together to create a unified and pleasing whole. For example, a unity landscape might use a consistent color palette throughout the design, such as shades of green and blue for a naturalistic garden, or warm earth tones for a more rustic landscape. The use of similar materials such as stone or wood can also help create a sense of unity and continuity in the design. In addition to creating a visually appealing landscape, unity in landscape design can also have functional benefits. A cohesive and well-designed landscape can help direct foot traffic, create privacy, and manage water runoff, among other things. Overall, the use of unity in landscape design is an important tool for creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space that is both aesthetically pleasing and practical.